So when it comes to your overall video production quality, there's practically limitless ways in which you can approach this, but also there's limitless ways in which you can waste a lot of money. And at least in my opinion, the best bang for your buck is not going to be your camera, but it's actually going to be your lighting. So if you're just starting out and you want to improve the overall video production quality without spending a lot of money, I highly recommend that you look to improving your lighting first. And a lot of these light kits you could get, they're probably going to be less than $100. For some of them, you might be able to find them for like $50. And I would say start there, because once you have good lighting, it takes care of a lot of things. And at the same time, it improves the overall look of your videos with your existing camera, even if it is your smartphone, which is what I started off with. Once I got some likes and I looked at it from my same phone camera, it looked so much better. And so those are just my quick recommendations on this. And if you wanted to see my original video whenever I did get lighting for the first time using my phone as my camera, I will leave that video in the description area below. And if you did want to see more of my gear reviews, tips, and tutorials, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.